Hello mga kaibigan, magandang araw po sa ating lahat and welcome back to another video. And of course, ang lagi nating reference sa lahat ng ibinabahagi natin tungkol po sa IMG or International Marketing Group is nahango po ito sa librong ito. Okay, question number 1 po sa araw na ito, sasagutin natin yung nagtatanong tungkol po sa IMG kung ito po ba ay investment or insurance company. So we talk about insurance, non-life, and life insurance, health insurance po yan. Okay? Kung titignan po ninyo sa Facebook or sa website ng IMG, and every now and then na magle-lecture po tayo, mag-share po tayo about financial literacy, nasa slides natin ang disclaimer po. And even dito sa picture na ito, papakita ko, dito po makikita nyo yan sa website ng IMG, may disclaimer po na ang IMG po ay hindi po ito nagbebenta ng insurance, ng investment. Okay? Ang mga insurance, investment na nakikita po ninyo na ibinabahagi po natin ay they are not products of IMG. They are only the partner companies of IMG. Okay? Sa madaling salita po, si IMG po, isa lang po siyang insurance brokerage company. Ulitin ko po, insurance brokerage company. Para po siyang umbrella po yan na nasa payong, isang payong nandun na lahat or parang one-stop shop. Okay? So, pag nag-member ka ng IMG kasi, magkakaroon ka na ng direct access sa mga iba't ibang companies or affiliated and partner companies ng IMG. Uulitin ko po, insurance, non-life, health insurance, and life insurance are not products of IMG. They are all partner companies of IMG po. Maliwanag po ha. So, now, ang ginagawa lang natin dito sa IMG, kung bakit po tayo nagre-recruit, okay? Kung bakit tayo nag-i-invite, okay? Kung bakit tayo nag-share, is to educate people. Alright? Kasi, yes and yes and yes, pwede ka pang dumirekta na bumili ng insurance mo, life insurance, non-life insurance, sa mga direct companies po ng mga insurances na yan. But then, okay, yan po kasi ay mas marami po yung mauubos mong oras, di ba? Kailangan mo ng insurance sa sasakyan. Pupunta ka sa isang insurance company, kailangan mo ng insurance, life insurance, dagdagan mo yung insurance mo as a government or private employee. Pupunta ka ulit sa agent or sa isang na namang insurance, life insurance company. Kailangan mo ng insurance or healthcare, pupunta ka ulit. Dagdagan mo yung healthcare mo maliban sa healthcare na binibigay ng company. Okay? So, kailangan mo ng or gusto mong mag-invest sa mga real properties, di ba? So, iba-iba po. Dito sa IMG, nandyan po sa slide na yan, nandyan na po lahat. Parang one-stop lang siya or one-stop shop lang po ang IMG. Ganun lang kasimple. Okay? So, walang masyadong paliwanag. So, anuman ang gumugulo sa isip mo, ito po ang IMG. Right? So, sana nakapagbigay ito ng konting kaliwanagan at sana mag-invest ka ng time para mas lalo mo pong maintindihan, maunawaan bago mo po husgahan ang IMG. Okay? Yun lang. Maraming salamat.
Before IMG,
I was a civil engineer.
Accountant. I was a plain housewife.
Before IMG, I used to be a doctor.
I was a maintenance crew.
manufacturing operator.
I'm a housewife.
I was an accounting clerk.
I'm a medical doctor.
I am an engineer.
Before IMG, I used to be a teacher,
I was a government employee.
a production worker.
Geologist. I am a bank employee.
Before IMG, I was an admin staff.
I was a seaman.
Design engineer.
I was a deli manager.
I was a telecom engineer.
Before IMG, I was quality director.
I used to be a doctor.
Production operator.
Industrial engineer.
IT home-based freelancer.
Before IMG, I was a manufacturing specialist.
I was an exporter.
Engineer.
Software developer.
I was a Caltex dealer.
Admin officer.
I was a florist.
Before IMG, I was a service crew.
I'm great.
I am great.
I
am
G.
I am great. IMG. IMG.
IMG. I am great.
I am
G.
I am great.
I am great.
I am great. I